welcome back to the channel. For those of you who've been with us a while, you'll know we've been working tirelessly on this Ferrari, doing bits and bobs, bushes, springs, everything, you name it, we've done it through the back catalogue. You've seen what we've done, and today we had to take it out. These cars need driving. We needed to drive the car. It's no good for them stuck in the garage, and it drives fantastic. I'm really chuffed with what we've done. I'm really proud of it. There's no knocks, there's no bangs, all that's gone away. It feels like a brand new car again. When we got it, it was banging, knocking, all sorts of stuff. It felt like a 22-year-old car, and now it feels like a 2-year-old car. Brilliant, really chuffed. It's quiet, it's Sunday, it's busy, there's cars everywhere. We can't give it beans, but we can tootle, and sometimes it's nice to tootle. Low gears, reasonable speed, howling away, making noise, being a nuisance. Look at that. You ready, car wife?
Yeah.
We've got some fuel, which is nice. Look at that in that reflection there. Son, keep pedaling. He's in a rush to go walk. He's in a rush to have a leisurely walk. You don't find that people are like more in a rush that are like active people?
Yeah.
Like less patient.
Like Centre Parks with rough tracks.
Yeah, like I've got to walk now and flinch my hips like this. Yeah, get out of my way, I'm flinching. Poo walk. Solid as a rock, innit? Beautiful that.
No.
I'm not going in that. Go on, move it, will it?
Stop trying to bring the pride. Stop it. I can't get around him, he's too close.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you like what you see, please like, please subscribe for more Ford, more Ferrari fun. There's plenty more where that came from this year. We've got lots of stuff lined up for you to see. Adios.